Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Authenticator transfer and backup codes easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open the Google Authenticator app on your smartphone. Tap on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of your screen. Select Transfer Accounts from the drop-down menu. Next, choose Export Accounts to proceed. You will need to authenticate your identity with your fingerprint or face recognition. After authentication, a list of accounts will appear. Select the accounts you want to transfer and then tap Next. Your device will generate a QR code for those selected accounts. Now, switch to your new device and open the Google Authenticator app. Tap on the three vertical dots again in the top right corner. This time, select Import Accounts. Choose Scan a QR code to capture the QR code from your old device. Align your camera with the QR code on the screen. Once scanned, your selected accounts will be transferred to the new device. To back up your Google Authenticator codes, return to the main screen of the app. Select the three vertical dots in the top right corner again. This time, tap on Settings. Look for the option labeled Backup Codes and select it. Follow the prompts to generate backup codes for your accounts. Make sure to save these codes in a secure place. Now, you have configured your Google Authenticator for transfer and created backup codes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.